In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus error code 83. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. Then check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data. Also give a fresh restart to your router and enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds and disable it. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. Next up, log out of your Disney Plus account and then sign back into refresh your session. In case you are connected to VPN or proxy services, disable it as this can trigger error code 83. Next thing you want to do is check the server status of Disney Plus. For that, launch your preferred browser. Go to the website Down Detector. Now search for Disney Plus. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.